Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close and detailed look at a dramatic moment from the modern battlefield, where a coordinated swarm of Ukrainian drones successfully targets and destroys a Russian armored vehicle, highlighting how rapidly warfare is evolving and why unmanned systems are now shaping the outcome of conflicts in ways few imagined just a decade ago. This incident is not just about a single vehicle being destroyed, but about a broader shift in military strategy where relatively low-cost drones are challenging some of the most expensive and heavily protected equipment on the battlefield, forcing armies to rethink how they move, defend, and survive under constant aerial surveillance. To understand why this event matters, it is important to first consider what an armored vehicle represents in modern warfare, as these machines are designed to transport troops safely, provide fire support, and withstand heavy punishment from small arms and shrapnel while advancing through hostile territory. For decades, armored vehicles were considered symbols of dominance on the battlefield, offering mobility, protection, and firepower all in one platform. And while they remain important, their vulnerabilities have become increasingly visible as drone technology has matured and spread rapidly. In this particular case, Ukrainian forces deployed a swarm of drones rather than a single unmanned aircraft, which is a crucial detail because swarming tactics overwhelm defenses by attacking from multiple angles, confusing electronic countermeasures, and increasing the likelihood that at least one drone will strike a critical point. The footage and reports surrounding this strike suggest a carefully planned operation where reconnaissance drones likely identified the armored vehicle's position first, tracking its movement and relaying real-time data back to operators who coordinated the attack. Once the target was confirmed, multiple attack drones were launched in quick succession, each carrying an explosive payload designed to penetrate armor or detonate near vulnerable components such as the engine compartment, turret ring, or ammunition storage areas. As the swarm approached, the armored vehicle's crew may have had little warning, as small drones are difficult to detect with traditional radar systems, especially when flying low and using terrain for cover, making reaction times extremely short. The first drone's impact often serves to disable or distract, damaging external sensors, communication equipment, or reactive armor, while subsequent drones exploit the resulting weaknesses, striking with precision that would be difficult to achieve using conventional weapons alone. This layered attack approach reflects a deep understanding of both the target's design and the psychology of armored crews, who must suddenly deal with multiple threats from above, a direction that traditional armor was not originally designed to defend against. When the drones finally struck, the resulting explosion demonstrated just how devastating these systems can be, as even a heavily armored vehicle can be rendered useless if hit in the right place, leading to fire, secondary explosions, or total structural failure. Beyond the immediate destruction, the psychological impact of such attacks cannot be overstated, as soldiers operating armored vehicles must now contend with the constant fear of unseen drones hovering above, ready to strike at any moment. This fear changes behavior on the battlefield, forcing crews to limit movement, seek cover more frequently, and operate with heightened stress, all of which can reduce effectiveness and slow down operations. From a strategic perspective, the success of drone swarms reflects Ukraine's ability to adapt quickly, leveraging innovation, local manufacturing, and tactical creativity to counter a larger and traditionally more heavily equipped opponent. Many of these drones are modified commercial